So I haven't yet joined in this airdrop yet. So much, and very viral viral airdrop I have ever seen in my life. So if you don't yet participated, so let's do participate in this airdrop that with me that I haven't yet participated. So what you need to do is come into my telegram. How you can come into my telegram has a path. That path is on description box. So that is has a link on the description box about telegram. So come into telegram, and here is you will get this link, this post as well. So what you need to do is has a link inside of here about combat hamster combat telegram website where you need to set up your don't need to set up your account like traditional website. It's a new way to do something inside of telegram. So you have your one wallet inside of telegram, and your telegram id is everything inside of telegram. Okay, so here is I already created account before creating video. So here is I already earned 5146 points. So what is the work here? This little cartoon you need to just tap on in order to getting something. So let's see that how crazy way it is increasing his price. Okay, so I've already connected. Okay, I'm showing you. I've already connected my tone account inside of this inside of this telegram website. How what we need to do is connect your tone. Okay, so here what we need to do is connect your tone wallet. So what is a tone wallet? It's the wallet of telegram. Okay, you have your telegram account. Now you don't need to have anything at all. So you just click on connect to your tone wallet, and click on this open wallet in telegram, and it will be immediately connected with hamster website. So why I'm saying hamster website, because it is website of telegram. Okay, it is not website of google. Okay, so here is a backup via email. So if you do backup via email, it will be connected with email. If you do backup manually, it will give you some fares. So I will do backup via email. So here is I'm putting my one, and the ranga098@gmail.com. Continue, click on, and your email immediately would go inside of your gmail box. Okay, check out your gmail box. You will get a couple of code. That code you need to paste on inside of these box that pop up inside of you. So pop up in front of you, sorry. So I'm going to my gmail. This kind of email you will get from that website and that you are trying to connect to your wallet. So just remember your word, and that is the provide inside of your gmail 294543 294543 294. If it is be backed by, please do reconnect with your hamster wallet. Okay, backup via email. If it does not work, and do anyway. Okay, so I'm again putting my gmail here because I was failed before. Wrong08@gmail.com. Yeah, that is correct. And now I'm going to quickly here because I was late before, therefore it has been failed. Sorry. So here is I'm trying to get the new code, and I'm just doing a refresh over and over again. If it is not work, put this on. Let me see that it worked or not. So 294543 2945432945543. Let me see what happened. It is didn't work. Okay, so md around 08@gmail.com. So maybe very soon the email would be come into here. So if it is come not into here, please check out the spam box. Okay, so here is I get my the code is 27 on 115. So 271. So if it is again do this, please connect your tone wallet re again, and so quickly you need to connect your, so quickly put your code inside of your box. So here is a click on connect wallet again, back up here, put, put your Gmail again here, click on continue, and now come into Gmail again, check spam box or main page. So here is I'm getting from my spam box. So here is a 189527 189527 189527. So while you click on there, your uh, interface display would be changed. Okay, view tone space. So click on there and connect your wallet, okay, with a Hamster Kombat. Okay, already connected Hamster Kombat, now connected with your thing. So what you need to do is just do back. Okay, connect your tone wallet. We did connect, and now it's time to do earning always. So choose exchanger. If you click on there, which exchanger you want to choose from. So let's say I want to choose Bitget. Okay, so where you want to withdraw. Okay, you have signed a contract with Bitget, good luck, CEO. Okay, I choose Bitget and select a language, choose exchange, coin animation. So everything here is a pop-up of when it will be listed. What you need to do is just to paste your USDT address, and you can you can transfer your token into like your wallet. Hamster would be there, maybe token or whatever, and their token is doesn't matter. So you need to just increase your point. So whatever happened doesn't matter. People earn maybe million point, but if you do part of this community, you will get something from here, because notcoin is did something, and maybe it will be happened. It could be huge amount of airdrop. Okay, so here we say a couple of couple of button has this here. If you noticed that mine and a couple of like earning options they provided here, is a lot of way you can earn money from earn point from here, doing infinite mining, all sort of things. So maybe just to do hover over about this site, telegram site, and you will get money from here. So for getting something into you need to spend time from that. And so I creating video, and I'm doing something here. I never before participate here. So therefore I like I'm naive. I don't know anything about it. I'm like you. Okay, so click on this friend. Here is invite button. You will get this is a invite button. Every invite for you will get something from here. Okay, this is the invite button, and click on this earn button, and a new academy video, like for watching video you will get something. If you click on this watch video, and that will immediately bring you inside of the YouTube. And here we you need to watch video, this video there. This is the Hamster Kombat. There crazy amount of subscribers you get. Couple of so 2024 and they did curated a YouTube channel, and now they are subscribed. If you notice, it's a crazy amount of here is their subscriber. Okay, so let me see that it is a crazy amount. So click on this check button, and you will get this type and this point for watching their video. Okay, so click on that, and you will get the point. So daily reward, click on claim, and you get a 500 point for daily rewarding. Join their telegram, and click on join. You will be immediately join, and click on the check button. Okay, if you join, you will get this 5,000 point, and that's it. So I'm just joining because I don't want to do fap way join. So here is what you need to do is just to earn money from here. So click on this airdrop button, and already here is connected my account that I showed you that I showed you a couple of minute ago. So this is the work. I already connect my Bitget wallet here, and my point has increased, multiple way. And for getting point, just click on here. It's a crazy amount of money we're making here. Okay, so why they are? If you ask me that why they are giving us money, because of it's a airdrop, and airdrop is just is a marketing on cryptocurrency. So they need people, because without people you cannot make money. Okay, you should have people. So therefore crypto project is incentivize people, incentivize to people a lot of money, like a airdrop people call to testnet. It is for interact with their website, that is testnet, and um, being part of their community is the airdrop. Okay, so this is the work. And after a time, after a certain time, TGE people called token generations offer. At that time, you need to work inside of here. So if you do want to boost your income, click on this boost button and free daily boost. So if you have a 2k point, just a 2 level multiplier. So go ahead and click on here, your earning would be multiplier. Okay, 3 gun multiply. Okay, this is the work. And if you want to know more about this, please hover over this entire offer, entire page. Okay, I haven't yet spent a lot of time from here. I'm a new, so new, very new like you. Okay, so just see them, just use them anyway. Okay, like these ways. Okay, so this is the work that I showed you. So end of the month, end of the offer, you will get something from here. Okay, see you later in the next time. So if you like this video, please do like, please do subscribe and comment on my telegram. I will make you money.